Hello, welcome to MGC Learning. Today, students, I'm going to teach you bookkeeping and accountancy. And our topic name is retirement of partners. Chalo, let's read the problem, understand the problem, and then solve the problem. Okay? Yeah. Question number 3, page number 184 of government textbook. The balance sheet of Anu, Renu, and Dinu are as follows. The partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 2:2:1 respectively. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Creditors, bills payable, general reserve, capital account of Anu, Renu, and Dinu, bank account, debtors, furniture, machinery, freehold property, and goodwill. Dinu retires from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. The assets are revalued as follows. Freehold property, machinery, and furniture. So all these assets are revalued. So you're going to tick mark it. Even the debtors are considered to be good. So even debtors will be tick mark. So tick mark means red means we are having some or other adjustment. All debtors are considered to be good. Goodwill of a firm to be valued at thrice the average profit for the preceding 5 years. Profit of the firm is, now see, goodwill आपको सिखाया था, we have taught you in the admission also. It is a thrice average profit of 5 years. How you remove the average? You are going to add all the profit divided by 5 and then multiply by 6. You will get the goodwill of the firm. Dinu should be paid 3,000 by check. See, Dinu is retiring. So whatever is his amount, out of that 3,000 will be paying it by check. And what is happening to the balance? The balance of Dinu capital should be kept in the business as a loan. So you are keeping the money as a loan. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of a new firm. Chalo, let's start. You know what are we supposed to do? First we do the posting. So let's start with the posting of accounts. Yes, creditors, bills payable directly goes to the balance sheet. So you'll write here creditors. How much is the creditors? Yes, 8,000. No adjustment, so directly in that 8,000. Then you had bills payable. No adjustment, directly in the outer column 2,000. Okay, now see, in the credit side you have done, then reserve and capital account will directly go in the partners capital, will wait for it, will take your bank, debtors, furniture, machinery, and freehold property and goodwill. So even goodwill will be marking it because they have told you the calculation of goodwill. That means there will be some or other adjustment in goodwill also. And in bank also, because you're paying Dinu in cash. So you'll write here bank. I'll leave it and then later on see what is happening with bank. We'll leave one line. So bank, furniture. Furniture, there is an adjustment. So you'll be writing in the outer column 15,000. Then you had freehold machinery. Yes. Machinery, again there is an adjustment, so you'll be writing in the inner column. And then you had freehold property. Again there is an adjustment, so in the inner column 27,000. And then you had debtors. So you had debtors. Now let's read the adjustment and we'll do it later on. Come on. General reserve will be divided between all the three partners and then capital will be taken to the capital account. So here you'll write by balance brought down. Yes. What was the Anu's capital was 40,000, Dinu capital was 30,000, Renu capital was 30,000 and Dinu capital was 15,000. Am I correct? Yes, 40, 30 and 15. Then general reserve is 5,000 and the profit sharing ratio is 2:1. So by, see, whatever reserve, in admission also we told you, the reserve will be divided in partners. So it is 5,000, it was simple, 2,000, 2,000 and 1,000. 5,000 divided by 5 is coming to 1,000. Okay, so by this we have completed the posting of balance sheet. Now let's go to the adjustment part. Now what is the adjustment telling you? The first adjustment, assets are revalued as follows. Now see, new value of assets are given. Freehold property is 30,000, machinery 5,000, furniture 12,000. All debtors are considered goods. All debtors are considered goods. Matlab RDD will not come directly. Debtors will come 20,000 in the balance sheet. Okay, students. So let's go there. So debtors is all considered goods. So debtor is coming here 20,000. RDD will not come. The furniture new value is given as 12,000. Machinery new value is given as 5,000 and freehold property new value is given as 30,000. You can cross check it here also once again. Now see, 30,000 freehold, machinery 5,000 and furniture 12,000. Can you see here? Here it is 15,000, here it is 12,000. That means there is depreciation. So you'll write here less depreciation. Yes, how much is the depreciation? Is 3,000. See, 15,000 minus 12,000 is 3,000. Here it is 4,000, here it is 5,000. That means there is appreciation. You're going to write here add appreciation. Yes, how much is the appreciation? Here 4,000, 5,000. So it is 1,000. Okay, again freehold property you're going to have, see here is 30 and 20, so again there is an appreciation. Yes, so 30,000 minus 27,000 is 3,000. Okay, students. Yes, 3,000. So your furniture is depreciated, that is less 3,000, machinery appreciation and freehold property appreciation. So all these entries will go. I have told you, when there is increase, it comes on credit side. When there is decrease, it comes on debit side. So first you had by RDD. So RDD, 1,000 RDD was no longer required. So again you had a profit. Then you had by machinery. Yes, how much was machinery increase? 1,000. And then you have freehold property by yes, you have freehold property, it was 3,000. And then there was decrease in furniture, the two furniture. Yes, furniture was decreased by 3,000. Okay, students, can you see that we have done it? All the entries. See, for depreciation, furniture with this with it. And there was one more item which was there in the balance sheet, that was goodwill, which we have not written it. So the goodwill value was 30,000. We'll write it in a column because we will see it. Now see here, goodwill was there in the balance sheet, which was 30,000. Yes, see, goodwill 30. Machinery we did, all we did. Now we'll come, the first adjustment is over, we did both the effect. Now we'll come to the next adjustment, that is goodwill of the firm is to be valued at thrice the average profit of preceding year. So we'll have to calculate it. So let's do the calculation of goodwill. So there will be a working note for this. You'll write here. So write here working note number 1, calculation of goodwill. Okay, now students, they have asked you to calculate the goodwill. So they have given you the goodwill of 5 years. Now preceding 5 years, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, you are going to add all the things. So for the year, so 2014, 15, the 2014-15, the amount was rupees 1000. 2015-16, was 10,500. Then 2016-17, was 10,000. 2017-18, was 16,000. And 2018-19 was again 10,000. See, I've not done anything. I've just copied from here, from your question. See, 1,000, 10,500, 10,000, 16,000 and 10,000. Now what are you going to do? You're going to do the totaling of all this. Yes. So what is the totaling of this? So you're going to do the totaling of it. So the total comes to 1,000 plus 10,500 plus 10,000 plus 16,000 plus 10,000. So that is coming to 47,500. So total is coming to 47,500. For removing average, you will be dividing by 5. So what will be the answer? Divide by 5. So your answer is coming to 9,500. So your average profit is how much? 9,500. So multiply by 3. Because what was the question was saying? Question was saying it goodwill is valued at thrice the average profit of 5 years. So what is your goodwill, students? So multiply by 3. So multiply by 3. So your goodwill is coming to 28,500. So your goodwill is coming to is equal to 28,500. So this is the new goodwill of the firm. So we will tally it from the balance sheet. See, in balance sheet the goodwill is 30,000 and the new value is 28,500. So there is less. So it is less. Okay, so you'll be, how much is less? 1,500. So less means it comes in capital account, profit and appropriation account. You write here to goodwill. Now students, this can be done in 2 ways. Either you can write it in the profit and loss adjustment account, or you will divide it between among the partners. Now see what is happening. Goodwill is a reputation which is earned by the business during the course of business. So if the goodwill have been more, we would have given the share to the outgoing partners, whereas the goodwill See, students, this goodwill adjustment can be done by two ways, as I was talking to you. One is you treat it as an ordinary assets, so where you'll compare it, what is the new value and what was the old value, and then you transfer it into the profit and loss adjustment account, or as a goodwill can be given a separate treatment. It can be directly, the difference can be written in partners capital account on their debit side. So you can, both the methods are correct. Okay, so you can write it here also, two goodwill and then divide it in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, both the methods are correct, so don't worry about it. You can do it both the methods. Okay, now let's see what is ahead. They're saying it. So goodwill is over now. Dinu should be paid 3,000 by check. Now see, Dinu is retiring from the business. So that is his money which is lying in the business. So he is saying, I require 3,000 right now. Please give it to me. So you will be paying Dinu by check rupees 3,000. And balance of Dinu is transferred to the loan account. So when you're paying something to the partners, do you remember I have already told you, whenever partner takes something from the business, you have to write here. To bank account, you're paying the money. To whom you're paying the money? Dinu. How much you're paying? 3,000. Am I correct? And this 3,000 will be minus from our bank account. This 3,000 will be minus from our bank account. So in bank account, we had 5,000 rupees. Yes. So in bank, we had 5,000 rupees. Now we are paying Dinu rupees 3,000. So your bank balance will now will be how much? Only 2,000. So you can, if you want, you can write it here. 5,000 minus 3,000, you have written the difference 2,000 in your bank account. Now, and the balance is transferred to Dinu's account, loan account. Prepare profit and loss account balance sheet of the new firm. Okay, students. Now let's see, everything is over. Now only part is remaining is our totaling part. Let's start doing our totaling. First, the totaling will be done of profit and loss adjustments account. So now tell me, here it is 345, here it is 5,000, here it is 4,500. Obviously 5,000 is bigger, so I'll write here 5,000. See, some totalings are very easy also. You don't require a calculator, as if calculator is not allowed in 12th standard level. You remember it now? 500. And this 500 will go to all the partners. So you'll write here to capital account. Who are the partners? Yeah, name of the partner is Anu, Renu, and Dinu. 500. Partnership is 2:2:1. That is 500. So this will be 200. 200. And this person will get 100. So the second effect comes in partners capital account. So you'll write here by profit and loss account. Yes. This person is getting 200. This person is getting 200. This person. The totaling of this is very easy. Now see, 15 plus 6 is 16. This becomes 16,100. This is 32. So 32,200. And this becomes 42,200. As if I've told you, the same totals will come here. See, Dinu is retiring. You have already paid him 3,000. So how much is left is 13,100. And this goes to where? To his loan account. Yes, and then others will go to balance sheet. So you write it balance carried down. Yes, no minusing. So 42,200. 32,200. So in balance sheet. Yes, he's getting 42,200. He's getting 32,200. The total comes to 447. 74,400. 74,400. And Dinu's loan account will be how much? Dinu's loan account is 13,100. Now this totaling, if this totaling is correct, that means our accounts is correct. We are completed with it. So चलो टैली करते हैं. Students orally करना है, याद रखना. Calculator is not allowed at 12th standard level. 8,000 and 2,000. So my total is coming to how much? 97,500. So here it is 97,500. My credit side is 2,000 plus 12,000 plus 5,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 and plus 28,500. So that is coming to 97,500. So this is telling. So 97,500. Okay, students, chalo, have a good day. Enjoyed. Thank you for learning with MJC app.